Imagine you want to start a brand, not just an idea, but a real product. You'll need a logo, packaging, product photos, ads, videos, and you probably need a landing page as well. Normally that means you have to hire a photographer, a videographer, designer, and even a marketing team. It's expensive, it takes time, and for most people that's where the idea usually stops. But what if you could just generate all of it? So today we're gonna run a little experiment. Today we're gonna build a whole product brand kit from scratch using only AI. The fake brand that we are creating today is a isotonic sports drink called Hydra. The goal here today is simple. Can we use only AI to create a whole brand kit to make this fake brand look real? So instead of subscribing to a bunch of different AI tools, today we will be using magichour.ai. Magic Hour brings everything into one place. You got image tools, video, and even audio tools all inside the same platform. Which means theoretically, you could go from a simple idea to a full marketing content without leaving the website. So today's experiment is simple. We're gonna use Magic Hour AI and create a whole brand kit for Hydra and see how far we can get. First, we need a logo. Next, we need product packaging, product moodshots, and photography with model athletes. We also need visuals that we could work on the landing page. And finally, we need short video ads for social media and marketing. So the first step is we gonna create a logo. So once we're in Magic Hour, we gotta head into the image tool section, and right away you can see there are different tools available. There is face swap, clothes changer, headshot generator, background remover, and several others. But for this project, the tool we want is AI image editor. This is where you describe the image you want and then choose the model that will generate it. So for this project, I'm gonna go with Nano Banana 2. The idea is to generate a bold sports drink logo for Hydra, something that feels energetic, athletic, and modern. And then I just gonna hit generate at the bottom. So I did a few tests and there are a lot of different variations that we could choose from. There is something that is more minimalist, modern, corporate, and then we have something that is more energy vibe, like those college energy sports drinks. So I think this is too much. I think this is not the market that I want to go for. I want to go for something that is more minimalist. So this is the logo that I'm using at the end. So now that we have the logo as the foundation of our brand kit, it is time for us to build the product shots. The goal here is to make it seem like a real product that would appear next to Gatorade or Prime. So before I click generate, I gotta make sure to drag and drop my logo into the prompt itself so that my logo would appear in the final image. And I would say the results that I got is pretty cool. So now that we have our product design ready, it is time for us to generate product mood shots, the kind of cinematic photos that you see on websites or advertisements. So for this, we're gonna attach the logo and as well the product design. And then we're gonna type in different prompts for different scenarios so that we can have a lot of different variety of mood shots available. So now that we have our mood shots, we're gonna generate some banners for our website as well. So I'll be using these prompts. You can pause the video to check it out. Now, in just 5 minutes, we have a lot of different options that we could choose from. So the next thing that we want to do is to generate videos. So now that we have all these images that we have generated, it's time to put it into a video generator. So let's head over to the video tab and then we're gonna click on image to video. So by adding the image into the start frame, we could use this as the beginning point of our video that we want to generate. And there is a lot of models in Magic Hour as well. There is LTX, Seed Dance, Kling, Sora, and even VO Free. So now we have a lot of different shots that we could use for our product ads. Now there is one more thing that we need, which is a voice. This is where Magic Hour shines because it has a audio section. Now, If we point over to the audio tab over here, we have voice generator, voice changer, voice cloner, and video to audio. For this, we're just gonna go head over to voice generator over here. So for example, I wanna put in my voiceover over here: push harder, go longer, recover faster, Hydra isotonic spot string, advanced electrolytes for peak performance, replenish, perform, repeat. And at the bottom, you can select a voice that you would like to use. So if you click on explore, there is a ton of voices that you can use for your voiceover.
Push harder, go longer, recover faster, Hydra isotonic sports drink, advanced electrolytes for peak performance, replenish, perform, repeat.
So let's recap what we just created. Using only just one AI platform, we created a whole brand kit for our fake isotonic drink, Hydra. This includes a logo, product packaging, Moodshots, lifestyle visuals, landing page assets, video ads, and even voiceovers. Normally, creating this would require a whole production team, but over here, it's just one AI platform. And honestly, this says a lot about where content creation is heading, especially in a world where e-commerce brands are launching every day. Tools like this allow you to go from an idea to a full set of marketing visuals incredibly quickly. Is it perfect every time? Not necessarily, but the speed and flexibility here are pretty impressive. So that's it. We built a full brand kit using only magichour.ai. If you'd like to try it out, feel free to click on the link in the description below. And if you'd like to see more experiments like this, feel free to comment below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. My name is Ryan Wei, and I'll see you next time.